There are many camps where you can learn about 3D printing and modeling, but at Tech Camp, you'll build your own 3D printer. This makes it just the start of your 3D designing experience. Building your printer also gives you a unique insight into how 3D printers work and the expertise needed to maintain, repair, and upgrade your printer yourself. We'll teach you how to set up and calibrate the printer and how to fix common problems. Get started quickly with some test prints by learning how to download open source models from the internet. You can even use the printer to create upgrades for itself. Next, you'll move on to learning 3D design using Autodesk Fusion 360, professional 3D modeling software used to make everything from plastic bottles to cars and aerospace parts. It is free for educational use, so you can continue designing at home. Build your skills using a variety of fun projects, including customizable dice, name tags, lampshades, and more. 3D printing is an excellent option if you like designing and creating and want to go home with professional quality equipment and software, and the knowledge of how to use it to turn your ideas into reality. Book now to reserve your place and start your 3D printing learning experience.